When you suppress your emotions, you disconnect yourself from emotions. And when you suppress your emotions, you remain unexpressed, and those unexpressed emotions remains in your body, and your body remains unexpressed. And those suppressing of your emotions will disconnect you from your feelings also, because feelings gives meaning to your emotions. And if you suppress emotion because expression of feelings is never allowed, so you think it is not right to express your feelings. And feelings are compass which tells you who you are and how you relate with people, with environment. So when you don't know how you relate with people and environment in a deep way, not in a superficial way, you get disconnected from people in a meaningful way. When you get disconnected from people in meaningful way, you feel loneliness, isolated. The only way is you have to connect with your emotions.